Salam sejahtera and a very good morning to our panel 1 and panel 2. So, I am Amirul Hakimi bin Mahmud as a chairman for this forum. I would like to introduce our first speaker, which is Monisha Bani.
Hello.
And second speaker is Harish.
Hello.
So, for today's title of this forum, which is role of OSH legal requirement in business management. So I would like to ask our first speaker a question, which is why are OSH legal requirements important for business?
Okay. OSHA compliance goes below legal optimization, which ensure a safety and healthy workers environment for employee, reducing injuries and illness for fatalities.
I agree to this statement. This translates to numerous benefits for business, including reduced costs, lowering accident-related expenses like workers' compensation claims, medical treatment, and productivity losses. Next, improve employee morale and retention. Happy and healthy employees are more productive and engaged, leading to lower turnover rates. Next, enhance brand reputation, demonstrating commitment to employee safety creates a positive image and attract talents. Lastly, compliance with regulations, avoiding fines and penalty for violating OSH law.
Thank you, speaker 2. It's a good idea for the question. So move on to the question 2, which is I would like to ask speaker 2, what are some key of OSH legal requirement for business?
Okay, this can vary depending on your location and industry, but some general points included risk assessments, regularly identifying and evaluating workplace hazards. Next, safe work procedures, implementing protocols for specific tasks to minimize risk. Lastly, training and education, providing employees with appropriate training on safety hazards and procedures.
Yeah, I think it's a more important thing for you, but I also will like to add some points, which is first of all, I think personal protective equipment, which is PPP, is supplement and ensuring proper and uses for PPP where necessary. And the second is indicated preparing and investigation, which is established procedure for reporting and investigating accident and near misses. And lastly, I think emergency preparedness, which is planning and preparation for emergency situation like fire or natural disaster.
Okay, thank you for speaker 1 for the idea of the question. So I would like to move on to the next question, which is how can business effectively manage OSH compliance?
Okay, sure. Okay, first of all, developing and implement of OSH management system, which is this structured approach help management monitor and continuous improve OSH performance. And second is a point of safety officer and communication, assign responsibility for overseeing OSH and implementing and policy development.
Okay, I also need to add some tips. First of all, promote a culture of safety. Encourage employee participation in OSH initiatives and open communication about safety concerns. Next, regularly review and update OSH procedures. Adapt to changing work conditions and new regulations. Lastly, conduct audits and inspections. Regularly assess and identify areas for improvement in your OSH program. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, speaker 2. So we move on to next title, which is occupational safety and health at OSHA in Malaysia. So the first question is I would like to ask speaker 2. So what is Occupational Safety and Health Act OSHA in Malaysia?
The Occupational Safety and Health Act uh, 5, 514 of 1994 is the primary legislation governing workplace safety and health in Malaysia. It aims to promote and encourage high standards of safety and health at work. Next, prevent occupational accidents, injuries, and disease. Next, protect workers from risk to their safety or health arising from work activities. Last but not least, establish the National Council of Occupational Safety and Health, NCOSH.
Thank you, Speaker 2. So we move on to the next question. I would like to ask Speaker 1, who is the responsible for complying with OSHA?
Okay, sure. Both employee and employees have shared responsibility of OSH, which is employee must provide and maintain a safety and health work environment and conduct risk assessment and implemented measure to control hazard. Also, we can say provide necessary information, instruction, and training and supervising to employee. Also, we can act on report accidents, injuries, occupational disease on the Department of Occupational Safety and Health, which is DOSH.
Okay. Employees are responsible for taking reasonable care for their own safety and health as well as that of others. Secondly, cooperating with employers in implementing safety measures. Next, reporting hazards and unsafe work practice to their supervisors. Lastly, wearing and using personal protective equipment (PPE) provided by employers. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Speaker 2. So, Speaker 2, I would like to ask the next question. The last question is, what are some of the salient features of OSHA?
Okay. First of all, risk-based approach to act emphasizes identifying and controlling workplace hazards through risk assessment. Next, protective stance. Businesses are required to take preventive measures to ensure safety, not just react to accidents. Lastly, share responsibilities. But both employers and employees have roles to play in upholding safety standards.
Okay, well said. I also like to add some 2 points, which is continuous improvement. For the example, the act ensuring ongoing monitoring review, improving of safety management system, and also we can say enforcing machinists, which is DOSH, as the auditing to conduct inspection, issue notice, and impose penalty of non-compliance.
Okay, I would like to thank
Sure,
Speaker
welcome.
1 and Speaker 2 for the great idea for this forum. So, I would like to conclude some of the point, which is remember to prioritizing occupational safety and health is not just a legal obligation, but an investment in well-being of your employees and the sustainability of your business. OSH compliance is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. By prioritizing employer safety and continually improving your OSH program, you can create healthy and productive work environment for all. Thank you.
Yeah,
Right.
thank you, Chairman.